Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set pressure eraser on the Notein application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here just go to the second section, the two settings. Here you can find the pressure eraser function. Actually I use that, but if you want to turn off, just click the next blue circle, and if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, just click that again, and you can set the percentage of that. Just click to the circle and pile on the line. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.